This is a quick video showing how I made an air assist for the xTool D1. Right here I'm moving the outer laser shield. Here I'm adding a self-adhesive piece of paper, although a piece of masking tape would probably work just as well. And then I measure the center of that hole. I attempted to use the laser to actually cut into the laser shield. This worked okay with a lot of passes, but it probably would have worked better if I'd used a soldering iron or a jeweler saw or something like that. This is the 3D printed piece that you can either download from Thingiverse, or I provide it printed on my Etsy store site that you can find in the description. It just snaps on. And then place the laser shield over with the new hole that I cut into it. And use an Allen wrench to tighten it. Now I remove the top screw and place the other 3D printed piece. You notice I'm replacing the screw with a longer M3. That's only really because I kind of stripped it doing the work of designing this. Then you place the tube through and attach it to the other part of the air assist. Here you can see I'm opening the wire loom to stick the strap through so that it won't slide down. And then you want to loosely attach the tube to the other wire loom. You don't want to tighten this too much because you're not trying to pinch the tube. And I do the same thing to the tube on the gantry. Again, making sure that you're not tightening it too much. You want to make sure that it's loose. So here is my fish air pump. It's attached to the splitter and then goes right to the air assist on the machine. So here you see first I am cutting a 2mm piece of wood with no air assist. Now I've turned on the air assist and I'm running the exact same program on the star. So already you can see that there's much less charring on the one where I had the air assist turned on versus the one that I had the air assist turned off. This is also evident on the back. Now on the right is the one without the air assist and the one on the left was the air assist. So that's really it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.